Hey guys, it's Professor QueenSeashell here, and today we're going to be opening our Kiwi crate. So let's do it. Oh, this is cute. This is what it's going to look like.
So we got your next sticker to put on your poster, which is good.
Okay.
This is Coral Reef.
Where's the sticker?
It's on the back.
Oh, can I see it?
So in this crate, you'll create a colorful coral reef scene and learn about these amazing ocean habitats.
So these are the pieces we need. We need 2 gears. The thing that stopped right there.
Pastels.
Pastels. We have pastels.
The color in the backgrounds for the coral reefs.
Really, really good watching on the box. That's fun.
We have parts to make jellyfish.
And
And
we have googly eyes.
yep.
And string. And eggs.
That's to make the jellyfish.
That's the bottom of it.
So first we're going to, so this is what it's going to look like, something like that.
What?
And then we can race them when we're done.
Oh, okay.
So first, step 1.
Step 1, color your reef.
Which one are you going to use?
Can you actually use all of them?
Yeah, but which one do you want to do first?
This little cute one.
Oh, okay. So let's go color it.
We colored the picture and now we're going to be working on the jellyfish. So let's color into the tentacles. Now we added the tentacles. Now we're going to add more string tentacles. I hope I don't want
So you put we put the extra tentacles on. Now you have to put that over the top carefully to keep the string in place.
So now we completed our jellyfish. So now we're going to be making the frame.
1 gear box. So the gear is inside. And then the professor's going to take the string up through one side.
My name is QueenSeashell.
Yes, the professor.
Professor. We put the gears together and now we're ready to try it out.
So we're going to use these ratchet sticks
to make it.
Put it inside, and that's where the gear is.
Are you recording?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay.
So you have
I have a cough drop in because I'm sick and I just threw it up. Okay? But
so demonstrate by pushing that down and up.
Up.
Faster. And we have liftoff. The ratchet stick is working. Okay, now we're going to reset it up and have a race. So we have to take the ratchet sticks out gently. You didn't take your ratchet sticks out. And then pull down and unwind.
I waited to get to the bottom so I get the down trophy.
Okay, now take your ratchet stick.
Ratchet stick and put it back in.
Right on the other side of
Are
the
we
gear.
recording?
Uh-huh. Ready?
Uh-huh.
Set, go!
I hope I win.
I don't think your ratchet is right.
Oh,
There you go. No, up and down, like that. Oops. Oh, you won.
Daddy, why did you do mine?
You won.
Daddy, you did mine.
Best 2 out of 3.
Daddy, you actually did mine.
What's a ratchet?
It allows a movement only one direction.
Ah, so that's why the jellyfish only go up, even when you're going up and down with the ratchet. Do we have another example of a ratchet?
Hey.
The screwdriver, hold it up. So that's a ratchet screwdriver.
A ratchet screwdriver, and it only allows this way, but watch when I turn it the other way. It doesn't let me. But when you switch this switch, it allows you to go the other.
He didn't push the button enough. That's all.
And thank you for watching. I hope you liked my channel of a Carl game. And like and subscribe, press the thumbs up. Like and subscribe, press thumbs up, and peace out and bye.